Okay, we're going to take some inspiration from day 5 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life and this sketch right here by Christine Harden. So what I notice first about this is there's a lot of flowers, and that's where I'm going to get my inspiration today, is from the flowers. So I have a photo here of the decorating that I did. And I really just want to document this because I feel like a little bit of a florist right now. I did both of those and 2 more, and then I'm really getting in the mood for Halloween. I'm really excited about it. So I've got this piece of paper here. I don't know. That kind of looks like lampshades. I think I might do it this way. Let's see. Do we like it this way? Or this way better? Yeah, my brain is telling me this way. I don't know if that happens to you guys where it kind of just, your brain tells you something. So I gathered some flowers here because the primary colors are black, red, and white in my decor. So I'm kind of going for a skeleton theme. So I also grabbed some skeleton wood veneer and I painted them. You can see here, and I got a little bit of a house and a cauldron, you know, just some fun things that are Halloween themed. And we're going to build a massive floral cluster. So keeping in mind that this is my photo, I don't know where it's gonna land yet, and you know, I might even just tack it down real quick onto that black piece so I can get that all done. I will go back in with glue or something later so I don't have flapping edges, but just to help us out a little bit. So these florals I actually picked up from Michael's, and let me see if I've got a pack. They're super cheap. $3.99 for 5 of them, and then because they were fall, and I got them last year, they were probably 50% off or something, but they come with this like little, I don't know, wraparound thingy for you to do something with them. I have no idea. I cut it off. I cut it all off. So this is now flatter. But these are the colors I'm kind of playing with because I want to emphasize that red. I purposely picked the red. And then I also have a leaf thing. I thought that would be kind of fun as a cluster base. So my photo may end up kind of going around. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. We're just going to kind of build and play. I did want to grab this. This is from from Prima. And they remind me of the little bits there that hang down. Now, I don't arrange flowers. I just don't do it. It is hard for me to do. And so for these to turn out so good, I am super proud of myself. So I'm doing kind of the same thing that I did when I arranged them. You know, you start really with the blooms, but because I'm here doing a scrapbook page, I don't necessarily have to start with the blooms, right? I can start with whatever I want to start with. So let's get some white in there. That kind of can tuck in further. Now, when I adhere these, I might pull out my hot glue gun, honestly, because I don't know. I just don't feel like this is going to stay on my page very well. I don't know. Okay, so then I do want to get some of these red ones in here. So I might add a couple red, maybe a white. You know, kind of go around. And I do want to get a skull. That is one of the primary items that I want on here. Now, this skull kind of looks janky because I took off the crossbones, and you can see it's like falling apart right there. Like it's chilling. It's barely staying together. So this might end up tucking you know, right in there, or it could tuck right up here. Actually, I kind of want it up here. Let's do that. Well, I don't know. Or maybe like right front and center. Because my floral arrangements that are in my picture actually have skulls in them. And like I had mentioned, skulls is a primary thing for me this season as we are decorating for my party at the end of the year, or end of the month. So really heavily focusing in. Now I did grab a piece of paper and I ripped it. It was red because that's kind of what she's got going on here. So I don't know if I do something like that. How does that look? That actually looks pretty good, doesn't it? And I also have this book. Maybe I'll kind of tuck it in here just a little bit. Meh. What I want to do is put a title right there. I just feel like this is so big. It needs a title or something. Needs something. No, and no. Bummer. I love these, but those are not the colors that I want on here. Oh, you know what I have? Still not the colors I want, though. Bummer. If that was the time to use them, that was the time to use them. But it is what it is. Maybe I put the word decor here, or just leave it. I don't know. I could just add another flower. Maybe put it underneath the cauldron. No. I don't know. When you're not sure, you just leave it, right? So I'm going to leave it the way it is. And yeah, I got my inspiration for my little cluster here from the flowers on this sketch, the decor that I did, and the colors. So don't forget to just pick out something little that you want for your sketch and just run with it. Please check out everybody else who's playing along with 30 Days of Sketches in Christy's Beautiful Life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.